going to take it off the Lamborghini Huracan. I mean Urus, yeah. So many cars, crazy. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is the car. Let's check it out underneath. Underneath is clean, it's good. Looks good. So this side damage. Man, brake rotor is broken. Oh my goodness. It's gonna cost me a lot. The brake rotor is like about 6,000-7,000 each used. Стоп, там не дотрагивайтесь об палку. Okay guys, we got the Lamborghini Urus 2019. Side damage. It's kind of scary, but it's not that bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not like really bad, you know. Because this side is pretty good gaps. And the roof this side is good, you know. I have whole parts, I have whole side like burnt car, and I have a door. I have a roof. And I have like, this side is pretty good condition, so I'm gonna use from the burnt car. And I'm gonna take apart right now. Airbags blow up, only roof airbags. The dashboard, everything is good. And guys, they lost the key. I'm kinda upset, you know. There's no keys. It kinda sucks. take it off sunroof. It's kind of hard. I thought it's gonna be easier, but I never work on a Lamborghini Urus roof and stuff, you know. So I take it off, and you can see the damage. Yep. So I have to take it out the windshield, and that's it, and deliver it to the frame shop. Alright guys, I'm gonna deliver the car to frame shop, and they're gonna replace the whole side, maybe a roof also. But I thought it's a little bit more damage inside, but when I take it off the carpet, let me show you guys. It's actually not bad. 1 second. Okay. Okay guys, look at this. First of all, I thought it's gonna be damage over here, but it's no damage. Like all these frame pieces, they good. Only that one has because the whole side is moved forward to inside, you know. So this box is good. I mean, this canister, I think it's air canister. What is this? Okay, so we're gonna replace. Okay, even the floor is good and no damage here, you know. I thought whole car is banana. Looks like from this side the whole car is like banana, you know. But it's if it's damage, this over here damage, it's worse because we have to replace whole this floor, whatever side. But it's a good spot. This is good spot. So I'm kind of happy, you know. But right now it's everything expensive. I don't know, because maybe of the fuel, you know, but everything is crazy expensive. Even the parts, shipping double, parts double, framework labor jump crazy, guys, crazy. I thought this labor one price, but they told me double price, you know. But it is what it is. It's nothing I can do, you know. So I'm gonna start working. I don't know if it's worth for me to fix this car or not, but I'm gonna try, you know. And the windshield, I really got new one. Windshield is also expensive, very expensive. So let me show you. The roof, when I take it off the oil sunroof, looks like it's fixable. Maybe no, I don't think it's fixable. But maybe, who knows? Maybe this skin they can fix. But I have, if something, I have a roof on the from parts car.